I'm sure you've heard the news, people making quick bucks day trading. You might be thinking, can I do that? Stick around and let's find out together. First, futures are contracts that let you buy or sell something, like oil, gold, or even corn, at a set price in the future. Day trading means you're buying and selling these contracts within a single day. No overnight stress, no sleeping with one eye open. Step 1. Pick a platform. Most beginners go with user-friendly apps like TD Ameritrade or NinjaTrader. Just sign up and make sure you use a demo account to practice before you risk real cash. Step 2. Learn the lingo. Contracts, leverage, margin, they sound scary, but honestly, a quick YouTube search and you'll be talking the talk. Leverage means you can control big trades with a small amount of money. But warning, it also means you can lose big, fast. Step 3. Make a plan. Don't just jump in. Set a budget, pick a market, and decide your entry and exit points. Pro tip: always use stop-loss orders. They automatically close your trade if things go south. And step 4, start small. Like, really small. Get comfy with the ups and downs, track your trades, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Last thing, remember, most day traders lose money at first. Be patient, keep learning, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Ready to give it a shot? Subscribe to my channel for more trading tips and guides.